What is this? What is this? When it rains, it pours. So, sometimes in life, when it rains, it pours. I got my unusually large cup of coffee here, and I'm about to go on a journey. Speaking about coffee, if you'd like to help out this channel, the link is down below to buy me a coffee. I greatly appreciate it, and I thank you. It helps out this channel a lot. So back to what I was saying. In life, when it rains, it pours. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is our refrigerator with all our magnets of where we've been all throughout life. These are our journeys. We've been to many, many places. Many, many places. Name it, we've probably been there. I don't know if you can read all those, but yeah. So a couple days ago, we had some issues with this refrigerator. We've had issues with this refrigerator basically ever since I bought it. Now, I've had it serviced a couple times. Ice maker decided to go out at least 3 times. 3 times since we bought it. Oh, let me tell you, this is a Samsung refrigerator. But anyway, so I go to open it up a couple days ago, and it wasn't cooling down. I went ahead and did what I saw the repair people do, and it was working. About a week, good week, a little over a week. Yesterday I go to open it up, and this is what I saw. Look at that. That is not good. My refrigerator is almost 60 degrees. So, today's journey, gonna go find a new refrigerator. What is this? What is this? I better not. Let me go back inside, put on a coat, some gloves, and some good winter boots. It's freaking freezing out here. Alright, be right back. So, I was about to run outside and hop in my car, but as soon as I opened that door and walked out there, I realized I need to get warm. There is a cold front going through the United States right now. And being here in Lacey, Washington, it's still cold. Just looked outside, there's ice everywhere. So, came back inside, gonna throw my shoes on, throw on a coat, go find my winter gloves, and head out on today's journey.
Feeling under pressure.
Here we are. Got my shoes on. Sometimes in life, when it rains, it really pours. Man, when I say it's cold out here, it's cold. Ice everywhere. Let me go in the garage and throw some ice melt down before I leave. So anybody else leaves my house, they're gonna slip and fall. Oh my God. When did you know it? Can't get into my car. Oh. Maybe I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. All right, stick with me. I'm gonna try and thaw out my door handle. All right, now that my car is finally warm and all windows are defrosted and I can see clearly, let's get started on this journey. About 40 minutes later. And these roads are so icy. Oh boy. So, I just got done. Oh, let's start this car again. Alright, I just got done putting some ice melt at the end of the street here because it is slick. A couple years back, I went to stop. I knew it was slick, and I went to stop. And I didn't stop right at the stop sign. I started slowing down before the stop sign, and I just slid straight through. Almost got hit coming from the left here, going right. But I was attempting to turn left before you couldn't turn left here anymore, and yeah, I slid straight through the stop sign, and I barely missed being hit on my side. By like two seconds maybe. So when it gets cold and icy here, I always go out and salt this area right here. You know, I throw about two bags of salt down when it first starts getting icy because it is slick. And I also had a neighbor that did the same thing. Excuse me, I can't talk, it's cold. She slid straight through the stop sign and she actually got hit. This wasn't on the same day, but she actually got hit. Her airbags deployed. She had one kid in the car, the minivan, but their minivan was totaled. Because I think, if I remember correctly, she got hit from both sides. And yeah, so, you know, just something I do for my neighborhood. You know, act of kindness. It only takes me about 30-40 minutes out of my day. Go out there, salt this area out here so everybody in the neighborhood can be safe. You know, simple acts of kindness. It doesn't hurt. All right, back to this journey. of trying to find
Feeling under pressure.
a new refrigerator for my household. All right, see you guys when I get to the store.